In order to begin solving this problem, we need to define both of our variables. So we're going to call the numerator n and the denominator d. We're told in the problem that the denominator equals the numerator plus 5. And we're also told that if we take the original fraction, which is the numerator divided by the denominator, and we add 3 to both the numerator and the denominator, we get a fraction that is equivalent to 1/2. So we can take this information and substitute in n plus 5 for d in our second equation. So if we rewrite it, we'll have n plus 3 in the numerator, and then what was d will become n plus 5, and to that we will add 3, just like in our original equation, and this all has to be equal to 1/2. We can simplify our denominator a bit and call this n plus 3 over n plus 8 is equal to 1/2. And now we can cross multiply. This is going to give us n plus 3 times 2 is equal to n plus 8 times 1. And if we clean this up a bit and distribute, we'll have 2n plus 6 is equal to n plus 8. We can subtract n from both sides of the equation. That'll give us n plus 6 is equal to 8. And then we can subtract 6 to find out what our numerator is, and n is going to equal 2. Once we have that information, we know that d, our denominator, is equal to n plus 5, so we can substitute that in, say d is equal to 2 plus 5, or d is equal to 7. Since our fraction is our numerator over our denominator, we can get our final answer, which is the fraction 2 over 7.